What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on the Gala Games token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, at the point of basically apex of this formation, and it is symmetrical triangle. And I think from now, I drew this bottom line wrong. And as you can see, I connect the bottoms, all the bottoms of this price action. But this week, it was the liquidation week, and this price action refers to the massive sell-off on Bitcoin, and that's why it is quite difficult, in my opinion, from this point of view. In my opinion, for now, it is quite difficult to rely on this lowest point, and that's why this formation, this lower support line, was drawn incorrectly. And let me correct it like this. And for now, we have more accurate formation, and this breakout to the upside, and I think it's not the best breakout compared to volume, but still we have this movement to the upside and we hit the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and everything that was a support becomes a resistance, and it is a very good sign that we have an attempt to break our highest point, this top of about 58.6 cents. And I've told you in my previous video that when we break this formation, this triangle formation, we have to break this resistance, or if we break it to the downside, we have to at least hit this range in order to accumulate more steam to hit higher targets. So I will continue my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's take a look on the entire crypto industry. So we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.28 trillion. It is a 4.71% decrease over the last day. And as you can see, we have a red day, and all major cryptocurrencies are in red on a 24-hour period and on a weekly time period. So we are not out of the woods, and that's why we have to be very cautious with the upcoming price action. We have to hedge our position, and at least we have to put our stop loss orders in order to protect our capital. So, and let's continue with the Gala numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $3.55 billion. It's up for almost 1%. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $1.46 billion. It's also up for about 113%. So rather good volume, and let me show you the news that might be related to this token, and that might be a catalyst. So for those of you who don't know what Gala Games token is, this article is definitely for you, and I will put the link on this article in the description below. This article describes perfectly well the use cases of this token, and let me quote you just one paragraph. And you all know that this token allows people to use NFTs, and this is a perfect example. For example, a character skin in one game could be used in another game, letting you keep your appearance consistent even when playing different games. This NFT skin is associated with you and cannot be removed by any game administrators. Even if game administrators ban you, you still have ownership of the skin and the ability to trade it. So it is the first step to metaverse. And this opportunity gives huge chances to basically build the entire world in the digital space. And that is why we have this massive spike in price of metaverse coins in recent days. So, and let me show you one more news that might directly affect the price of Gala Games token. And on December the 9th, on CryptoGlobe.com, we have this article that SHIB and Gala are coming to one of the world's longest running crypto exchanges. And let me quote you this. On Wednesday, December the 8th, one of the world's oldest and most popular crypto exchanges announced details about its upcoming support for the following crypto assets: Shiba Inu, DYDX, Gala and Perpetual Protocol. Bitstamp, which was founded in 2011, got registered in the United Kingdom in 2013 and in Luxembourg in 2014. It has a global team of around 400 people based in offices in the United Kingdom, Luxembourg, United States, Singapore and Slovenia, and is available to people in over 100 countries and currently has over 4 million users around the world. In a blog post published yesterday, Bitstamp said that deposits and withdrawals had already been enabled for DYDX, SHIB, GALA and Perpetual. As for being able to place cancel limit orders, this will happen according to the following schedule. And as you can see, you will be able to trade GALA token on December 13, basically in just 2 days. And that's why, in my opinion, this will be next major deadline that might affect the price of GALA, because the more people can trade this token, the more exposure we will have, the more volume we will have. And usually the volume leads to more active price action, and this price action basically usually refers to the bullish side. And this means we might see a very good support and very good price action to the upside. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? In my opinion, we have several, as you can see, several bottoms of this price action on the lower side. And this means if you want to enter the position, you can accumulate your position right here. But you still have a possibility, we still have a possibility to hit these ranges. And this might be either another accumulation points or it might be your major stop losses, depending on your time frames. Because if you want to invest in this token for the long term, you have to accumulate your position on these green zones, and the lower these zones are, the more attractive average price you have for the long period of time. But if you want to catch the entire breadth of this asset, just accumulate your position and put your stop loss at the previous swing low, and in this case you will be able to hit higher targets in the short period of time with the least amount of risks. And if you want to have a more confirmation, you have to wait until we will break this resistance or this support, or potentially we might have a touch of this support and have a good bounce to the upside. And this movement to the upside with a good conviction of volume will show us that we potentially might have a trend reversal. But so far we are very healthy from the bull standpoint, because we have very good volume on this movement to the upside. And this means we have more chances to hit this resistance, and if you want to enter this short-term trade, your upside potential might be about 14% and downside potential about basically the same, 14%. And to reduce this basically one-to-one risk-reward ratio, to increase your chances to hit higher price targets, just accumulate your position on the movement to the downside, and this will reduce your downside potential. For example, if your average price will be about 47.7 cents, your downside potential will be about 7%, but upside potential will be 22%, and this will lead to risk-to-reward ratio of 3-to-1, and this risk-to-reward ratio is worth your attention. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!